welcome back. Minnie here. Today we have the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro Max in front of us, and I am so excited to check them out. If you guys want to see the iPhone 13 and 13 mini, I just unboxed them in my previous video, so do check them out. These are them. Here they are. Don't mind the fingerprints, but check out the video on the top left. Yes, here. You guys saw what's in the box. As usual, this came with a Lightning to USB-C cable. Yes, we're still using Lightning cable. And we also have our Apple sticker and some paperwork there. So this is the 13 Pro Sierra Blue. This is the all-new color, and this is the silver. I don't know how exactly I feel about the Sierra Blue because it has it feels like a baby blue color, but at some point at different angles you actually see a grayish color. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but this is it. It's definitely much better in person than in the pictures, than in this photo. The color actually matters a lot for me because I like to go bare naked with my iPhones. So yeah, I must at least like looking at the color. Not a big fan. Maybe it will grow on me, who knows, right? Next, look at the silver. It has a frosted white kind of finish. I would actually call this white or frost, not silver. It looks really nice in person. Plus, the matte finish actually gives it a very frosty vibe. I feel like I'm in Iceland or a place with a lot of snow when I'm carrying this. I can totally imagine Winter Wonderland wearing a hat and carrying this around and picking up calls and everything. Still thinking if I should go for good old graphite or stick with this or this. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. I want to know your thoughts. Yeah. What's inside? It's almost the same. The all-new A15 Bionic chip, brighter displays, better and bigger cameras, the smaller notch, and the 120Hz ProMotion display, which I'm so freaking excited to test, but also really scared that I get hooked onto the 120Hz and cannot go back to my 60Hz display on the 12 Pro Max. Putting these two to the test, can I actually tell that this is smoother? Let's see. We're gonna play some swiping left and right. I feel like we need to do a slow-mo cam here, but we don't have slow-mo now, so yeah. Can you guys tell if this is smoother? Honestly, I cannot tell the difference between the both of them. Let me just make sure that ProMotion display is turned on. Well, I checked, the 120Hz display was on, but I guess I really couldn't see it. So I slowed the footage down to 20% to see it better. The 13 Pro definitely responded way faster than 12 Pro. As I scroll this article, the response on the 13 Pro is way faster. Also, when I close apps, animation seems smoother on the 13 Pro. But I guess only the camera can tell the difference. With me and my normal human eye, looking at this for the first time, I really cannot tell the difference between the 12 Pro and the 13 Pro. Another awesome upgrade on this phone is the macro photos and videos. Okay, we're gonna have Baby Yoda in the shot and we're gonna film him. So what macro photos mean is that when you go super close to this Baby Yoda, it will still focus. Oh my gosh, it still focuses. Holy crap. So this is how close I can go, if you guys can see. I hope you guys can see. And it's still focusing, and I can even grab a shot right now. Yeah, and it still focuses. Wow, this is insane. 2 cm. So any closer. Wow, oh my lord. What? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh my god. 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 Baby Yoda. Comparing this to the 12 Pro Max, if I go so close, it actually becomes super blurred. I have to move further for it to focus. I think this is a very exciting upgrade, especially for people who love to use their phones to take pictures, because you can get all kinds of different angles and you can get such a close shot of anyone. Someone did this before. Oh my god, look at how close this is to my eye. Woohoo! This is awesome. You can get a shot of my eye like that. Holy moly. This is awesome. It's legit like a magnifying glass. I love this so much. Now you can also record videos in macro. So you can go basically super duper near. Oh my gosh, imagine the angles that we can get. Ooh, okay, he's focusing. Oh my god, he's so cute. I'm Okay, it's focused. It's focused, it's focused, it's focused, it's focused. Nice. Okay, let's try it in 4K. Can you focus? Oh, it doesn't focus in 4K? It can do macro in 4K 24, 4K 30, and not 4K 60. Okay, that's cool. Can I go from close up? Oh, wow. Wow, do you guys just see that jump? So when I go close up, it sort of switches to the macro lens. So there's sort of a jump when you do that. That's interesting. So it's not as smooth as I thought it would. The telephoto lens has also been improved. Now you get to see a 3x optical zoom, which I'm so excited for. This is 0.5 times, and this is 1 times, and this is 3 times. Oh, damn. Damn. The wide lens now has an f1.5 aperture, and this is the widest on an iPhone yet. It's gonna be interesting to take more photos at night with this. And one thing I love about Pro Series is that this is not a fingerprint magnet, because this is all matte finish, unlike the 13, which is a glossy finish, even though the colors are nice, but like these are really fingerprint magnets. I'm not sure if you can see, but like after using it for a while, I can already see all the smudges on it. So not a big fan of that. Definitely loving this matte finish. But let's be real here, guys. The upgrade from 12 Pro Max to 13 Pro Max isn't that much of a difference. I actually did a series of comparison tables comparing 13 and 12 and all of that, and I'll link it in the description below for you guys to check out. But honestly, if I were to upgrade from this to this, is more for the 120Hz ProMotion display as well as the better cameras. If not, I did not see a point in upgrading this. So let me use this for a while and I'll let you know if the 120Hz ProMotion display is really worth it. I know the cameras for sure is going to be worth it, because macro photography is like so freaking exciting. I can't wait to take different weird photos of myself, other people, and other things. But yeah, I'll link everything mentioned, so check it out. Stay tuned and subscribe for more iPhone 13 videos and other cool tech videos. I'll see you guys very soon. Take care, stay minty and cherry. Goodbye! Oh, and let me know all your questions about 13 Pro and 13, and I'll get to them ASAP. Take care, stay minty and good. I think I said that already. Bye!